Y'all wouldn't believe it, but my teacher got me. My English teacher got me fucking McDonald's, bro. I just asked her for a ride to go there, and she just said, you know what, here, put it on my tab, because I need to grab me a slushie. And I was like, hell yeah. So we got McDonald's for lunch. Yeah, let's go eat it. All right, class.
Yeah, I knew that the first day I met you.
I got all my friends here.
You went crazy.
No one talks to me because I must be lame.
Face.
You said what?
I need her to get out my face.
Oh wow, what'd she do? So you having a good day today?
I'm having a wonderful day.
Oh, what's that? Oh. She just. Oh. Put it back.
Yeah, she wanna act ugly. We do ugly things. People that act ugly.
Oh. Oh no.
We're conversating about it. I'll conversate with you.
Whatever you want. I'm showing the drip while I talk about nothing but bullshit.
Maya, you want to take a marker? But Maya, you're not matching.
You don't gotta match that drip. Tell her, Miss Marshall. Miss Marshall, this is drip without matching a single color. Right? Don't you think so? And he didn't even say anything. I'm done. I'm taking it out and never put it back on. I'm so
Thank
done.
you.
Oh, you're welcome.
I like what you have on my.
Thank you. Miss Yolanda, that's big hating energy. I don't like that. You got a marker? No? All right, I'm done. Okay. You guys got markers? No?
Yeah, I'm making it.
Why is it way on your table? What's wrong with you? I'm not playing these games. Talking about that's where she sits. Wait, I'm sorry. Okay. Bro, fix your marker. What are you doing?
It's okay. It's only materialistic stuff.
Double pin. How do you see a schedule? My schedule? You want to see mine?
No, like mine.
How do you see it?
Yeah.
Well, they gave me a paper, but
I need to go to.
you got Canvas?
I honestly thought she was missing today.
I got it. I'm like.
I mean, the best thing I could say to do is we can go to the SU building and you can go over to like, what is it, financial aid or something? Or no. Perfect. I can take you exactly where you want to go. You want me to take you? I got you. I'll take you after class.
Picture and yes.
After she does that, after class, I'll take her where she needs to ask for her classes.
Thank you.
Who's getting paid?
I don't know what this guy is talking about.
Jennifer, you need to sit down. What are you talking about?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.